Good morning, children. Welcome to online class of St. Joseph Academy, Mariam Nagar, Ghaziabad. Children, this video is for class 3rd, subject mathematics, topic multiplication. As this video is made for the practice session, children, as we have completed the chapter 7 multiplication, we are going to do extra questions related to that topic. Now let's begin with this. Now children, here you have to show that multiplication is a repeated addition. We can see the pictures here and you have to write in a multiplication form to describe each way. Now you can see in the first one, ice creams are there. Now how many ice creams and how many groups are there? You just see first this. Now there are 4 groups. So first you write down the 4 and each group there are 3 ice cream. So 4 into 3 is equal to 12. 4 3s are 12. You can count it. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay. Now see the second one, children. There are jugs are there and there are 2 groups and each group is having 2 jugs. So 2 2s are is 4. So we can multiply. 2 multiplied by 2 is equal to 4. Now see the third picture, children. Here whistles are there. And how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 groups are there. You can write 5 here. And each group there are 4 whistles. So we can write 4. 5 into 4. So 5 fours are 20. So there are 20 whistles. You can count it. Now see the next picture, children. Fourth one. There are pairs here. Now 3 groups are there. 3 groups of pair. And each group is having 2 pairs. So 3 multiplied by 2 or 3 2s are 6. So there are 6 pairs. So we can write in this form, children. Now as you know the tables, children, you have learned the tables by heart, you can easily solve it. Now you can see here I have taken the table of 8 here. You can see in the first one, here you have to write the blank part. Dash into 8 is equal to 32. That means you have to write the multiplicand. When it is multiplied by 8, it will give you 32. So you just see 8 4s are 32 or 4 8s are 32. Now 8 5s are, children, you know what is this? It is 40. Now next one, 8 multiplied by dash is equal to 8. Now what is the multiplier that you have to write down so that it will give you 8 again, same number. So only 1 is the answer. 8 ones are 8. Now here you can see dash multiplied by 8 equals to 24. Now when you will get 24 by multiplying 8, that is 3. 3 8s are 24 or 8 3s are 24. Now fifth question, children, 8 multiplied by 10. It is equal to 80. Now 8 tens are 80. Now what is the number multiplied by 8 will give you 0? Yes, the answer is 0. Whatever the number you will multiply with 0, the answer will be, or the product will be 0 only. Now seventh question, children, 8 multiplied by dash equals to 48. Now what is the number that you will multiply by 8 will give you 48? That is 6. 8 6 are 48. Then children, see the 8th one, dash multiplied by 8 gives you 72. Now here you will write 9 because 8 9s are 72 or 9 8s are 72. Now 9th question, 8 8s are 64. Then children, 8 4s are 32. Next question, 2 multiplied by 8 will give you 16. Now what is the number when you will multiply by 8 will give you 56? That is 7. 8 7s are 56 or 7 8s are 56. Now next 13th question, 2 multiplied by 8 will give you 16. 14 children, 8 9s are 72. Now dash 15 question, children, dash multiplied by 8 will give you 40. Now when you will multiply 8 with 5 you will get 40. So you will write 5 into 8 is equal to 40. So this is how you have to do it. Now children, we are going to multiply two-digit number with a single digit. See how. 36 multiplied by 6. Okay, now 36 is two-digit number. It is a multiplicand and 6 is the multiplier. 6 is a single digit number. Now see this is ones. Write ones and then 10. So always you have to multiply from the ones part. Now 6 6 are 36. So 6 you will write here and 3 as carry on tens. Now 6 3s are 18 and 18 plus 3 carry is 21. So your answer is 216. Now see the second question children. 45 multiplied by 9. Now this is ones and this is tens. This you know already children. 9 5s are 45. Now 5 you will write here and 4 carry on tens part. Now multiply 9 with 4. 9 4s are 36 plus 4 is 40. So this is your answer 405. Now third question children. 87 multiplied by 3. Now here this is ones, this is tens. Now 3 sevens are 21. Write 1 here. 2 carry on tens. Now 3 eights are 24 plus 2 carry is 26. So 261. Now fourth question children. 62 multiplied by 8. Now see the ones and tens. Now 2 is ones and 6 is at tens place. Now 8 2s are 16. 6 you will write here. 1 as carry on tens. 8 6 are 48 plus 1 is 49. So what is your answer children? 496. Here also children, it is the same way we have to multiply, only the difference is 3-digit numbers. Here now 100 has also entered. Okay, now ones, tens and this one is 100. Now you are going to multiply 3-digit number with single digit number. Now you can see here 8 2s are 16. Always start from the ones part children. 16. So 1 you will write on the carry as a carry on tens part. 8 ones are 8 plus 1 is 9 and 8 fours are 32. So your answer is 3296. Then children again 6 multiplied by 0 will give you 0. Write 0 here on the ones part. And then you multiply the tens part. So first you will write 0, 6 0s are 0, 6 8s are 48. Now 4 carry here. 6 4s are 24 plus 4 is 28. So 2880. Now any number whenever you multiply with 1 will give you the same product. Okay, so 1 3s are 3, 1 9s are 9 and 1 8s are 8. Okay, so 893 multiplied by 1 will give you 893. Then children see the fourth question. 202 multiplied by 5. Now start multiplying from the one side. 5 2s are 10. You directly write 10 because here you can see 0 is there. As carry will be 1, but you can directly write it because 5 zeros are 0 and 0 plus 1 will be 1 only. So here whenever 0 will be there, you just write the carry here in the product part directly. Then 5 2s are 10. So what is your answer? 1010. I'll write once again children here. So 1010 after multiplying 202 with 5. Now children, we are going to multiply 2-digit number with the 2-digit numbers. Always start from the ones part. First you are going to multiply 51 with 8. Then you will multiply the 51 with 7. Now first we will multiply 51 with 8. Now 8 ones is 8. Now 8 fives are 40. Now children, we will multiply 51 with 7. Now 7 is at tens place, so you will start from the tens place. At ones place you just put cross or 0. Now 7 ones are 7. 7 eights are 35. Sorry, 7 fives are 35. Now children, you have to add these products, the products of ones and tens. Now there is no number below 8, so write directly 8 here at ones part. Then 0 plus 7 is 7. Now 4 plus 5 is 9. And there is no number above 3, so you can write it directly 3. So what is your answer? 3978. Now children, see the next question. 97 multiplied by 14. First you start multiplying 97 with 4. Then you will multiply 97 with 1. Now 4 sevens are 28. 8 you will write here. And 2 carry. Now 4 nines are 36 plus 2 is 38. Then children, you will multiply 97 with 1. Put cross at ones place because you are multiplying the number from the tens place. Now 97 ones will be 97. So directly you can write it from here. 7 and then 9. Now add these products. Below 8 there is no number. Write down 8 here. 8 plus 7 is 15. Write 5 here and 1 carry. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. So what is your answer? 1358. Now children, see this question. We are going to multiply 3-digit number with 2-digit numbers. Same process we have to follow. Only 100 has entered here. Now see, 0 is there. 528 multiplied by 10. So 0 is involved. So 0, what you can do directly, you can write 10 because there is only 10 here. And 528 you multiply with 1. So with 1 you will get the same number. So you can write it directly 528. And there is 10, so write that. So what is your answer? 5280 without going long process. Now see the next one. 312 multiplied by 23. Now 3 twos are, first you will multiply 312 with 3. 3 twos are 6. 3 ones are 3. 3 threes are 9. So this you have got it. Now you will multiply 312 with 2. Now first put the cross here at ones place because the number 2 is at tens place and we are multiplying it with 312. So we will start writing from the tens place. So 2 twos are 4. 2 ones are 2. 2 threes are 6. Now children, add this. There is no number below 6, so write down 6 here. Now 3 plus 4 is 7 and 9 plus 2 is 11. So 1 carry here. Now 1 plus 6 is 7. So what is your answer, children? 7176. 7176. I'll write once again. 7176. This is your answer. Now see the next one. 653 multiplied by 51. First you will multiply 653 with 1. So the same number will come. Write down this. Then you will multiply 653 with 5. First put cross at here because 5 is at tens place, so we will write the product from the tens place. 5 threes are 15. So write 5 here and 1 carry on here. Then 5 fives are 25 plus 1 is 26. So 6 here, 2 carry here. 5 6 are 30 plus 2 carry is 32. Now children, add this. Now 3, 5 plus 5 is 10, 0 here, 1 carry. Now 1 plus 6 is 7, 7 plus 6 is 13. Again 3 here and 1 carry. Now 1 plus 2 is 3 and there is no number of 3 there, so you will write 3 again. So what is your answer? You can see 33303. 33,303. Now children, we are going to solve the word problems. See the first question. I bought 18 packs of color pencils. If there are 16 color pencils in each pack, what are the total number of pencils I bought? Now here I bought 18 packs of color pencils. Pack means packets. Now 18 packets I have bought of color pencils, and in each packet there are 16 color of pencils. Okay, so what are the total number of pencils I bought? So you can write in statement that number of packets are 18 and in each packet 16 colors are there. So total number of color pencils will be 18 multiplied by 16. You write here. And now children, you multiply. Always start from the right hand side. 6 8s are 48. 4 carry. Now 6 1s are 6 plus 4 carry is 10. Okay. Now that you are going to multiply 18 with 1. So here you put cross at 1's place first. Now 18 1s is 18. So you can write it directly here. 8 and 1. Now add these two products. Now 8, there is no number below 8. Now 0 plus 8 is 8 and 1 plus 1 is 2. So total color pencils are 288 color pencils. Okay. These are color pencils, 288. This I am writing, children. You can make the statements yourself also. Now second question, there are 225 ml means milliliter shampoo in a bottle. Okay, in one bottle this much shampoo is there, 225. How much shampoo will be there in 7 bottles? Now you are having 7 bottles, children. Now number of bottles are 7 and each bottle is having 225 ml of shampoo. Ml means milliliters and milliliters is used for liquid things to measure. Now 225 multiplied by 7. Now multiply, children. 7 5s are 35. So 5 here, 3 carry. On 10's part, 7 2s are 14 plus 3 is 17. 7 here, 1 carry. Again 7 2s are 14 plus 1 carry is 15. So here what is the answer? 1575 ml shampoo is there. I'll write once again, children. Now children, see the third question. Ahmed can write 4 essays in a day. How many essays can he write in 14 days? Now children, in you have to tell 14 days Ahmed wrote how many essays, and one day he is writing 4 essays. So 14 4s are, you will multiply in this way, or you can write directly also. 14 4s are 56, but for that you should know the table also, children. Okay, now I will show you how I have multiplied. 4 4s are 16, 6 here, 1 carry above on 10s, then 4 1s are 4 plus 1 is 5. So 56 essays was written by Ahmed in 14 days. Okay, if he writes 4 essays per day. Now I am writing again 56 essays. Now next question, there are 25 boxes on the table. Okay, each weighing 225 grams. That means the weight of one box is 225 25. Now number of boxes are here 25. Now you have to tell total weight, children. Total weight of 25 boxes. So what you are going to do? You are going to multiply with 225 with 25. Now multiply, children. 5 5s are 25. So 5 you will write. First you will multiply 225 with 5. So what it is going to give you, just see. 5 5s are 25. 5 here. 2 carry. Now 5 2s are 10 plus 2 is 12. Now 2 here and 1 carry. Then 5 2s are 10 plus 1 carry is 11. Now you have to multiply 225 with 2. Now leave the space of ones. Now multiply 2 5s are 10. So 0 here and 1 carry. Above you can write it. Then 2 2s are 4 plus 1 carry is 5. Write 5 here. Then 2 2s are 4. Okay, children. So 225 multiplied by 2 will give you 450. Now children, add these two products. 5. Then 2 plus 0 is 2. 1 plus 5 is 6. And 1 plus 4 is 5. Now answer is 5625 grams. As the weight is given in grams, it is asking in grams, so 5625. Children, in this way you have to practice. I hope you have liked the video and do all the questions given in your book also. With this, thank you.